The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is the kind of motorcycle that reminds you why superbikes continue to capture the imagination of riders around the world. Even before the engine comes to life, the bike demands attention with its razor-sharp bodywork, aggressive aerodynamic winglets, premium paint finish, and race-inspired stance. Every panel feels sculpted with purpose, giving the RSV4 Factory an unmistakable presence that reflects Aprilia's championship-winning racing heritage. It doesn't simply look fast, it looks like it was designed to dominate every corner of a racetrack while still turning heads on public roads. Slide into the saddle, and you're immediately greeted by a focused riding position that feels connected and purposeful. The ergonomics are sporty, but everything is positioned to give the rider maximum confidence and control. Fire up the legendary V4 engine, and the exhaust note instantly sets this motorcycle apart. It delivers a deep mechanical growl that builds into an exhilarating scream as the revs climb, creating an experience that's impossible to forget. Twist the throttle, and acceleration arrives with incredible urgency. The power delivery is smooth yet explosive, pulling hard through every gear while remaining surprisingly refined. Whether you're charging down a straightaway, carving through mountain roads, or accelerating onto the highway, the engine responds instantly and rewards every movement of your wrist. What truly makes the RSV4 Factory exceptional is its precision. The lightweight aluminum chassis, premium Öhlins electronic suspension, and race-developed geometry work together to create handling that feels incredibly sharp without becoming unpredictable. Every corner feels effortless as the bike changes direction with remarkable accuracy, giving the rider confidence to push harder while remaining completely composed. Braking performance is equally impressive, with Brembo components delivering powerful, consistent stopping power that inspires trust during aggressive riding. Aprilia has also equipped the motorcycle with an advanced electronics package, including multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cruise control, engine brake adjustment, and a quick shifter that delivers seamless gear changes without interrupting acceleration. A bright, full-color TFT display keeps everything easy to monitor while adding a premium modern touch. Despite all its racing technology, the bike never feels overwhelming because every electronic system works naturally in the background to support the rider rather than replace the riding experience. For motorcycle enthusiasts across the United States, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory offers something truly special. It combines Italian craftsmanship, breathtaking performance, and world-class technology into one unforgettable package. This isn't simply a motorcycle built to produce impressive numbers on paper. It's designed to create emotion every time you start the engine. From the first twist of the throttle to the final corner of the ride, the RSV4 Factory delivers excitement, confidence, and precision that few superbikes can match. If you're looking for a machine that blends race-winning DNA with premium engineering and unforgettable character, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory deserves a place at the very top of your dream bike list.